Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2000 Chevy pickup with a 454 motor in it. The customer called and said that they had some fluid underneath the vehicle and it smelled like maybe something was burning when they had the vehicle running. Brought the vehicle in, noticed that it was low on antifreeze, so we filled that up. As soon as we did that and started the vehicle, we noticed there was quite a bit of fluid coming out of the passenger front corner where the intake manifold bolts to the engine block. Advised the customer that the intake gasket had failed and it would need to be replaced to resolve the issue. Once we got the new intake gasket in it, took it for a test drive, made sure all the fluid levels were correct, noticed there was no more leaking, let the customer know that they could come pick it up. So if you smell some burning smell or you've got some fluid underneath of your vehicle and you're not quite sure where it's coming from, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free estimates. My name is Dan and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.